Well, welcome to episode 5 of the Big Reboot. I'm on my way to the Penarth and Barry Model Railway Club exhibition to see if I can pick up some bits. I need a couple of turnouts and a couple of crossovers, so we'll see what we can find here. And here we are. It's in there. Now we're going to have a look. Well, I wasn't there very long, but I think I've got what I came for. Got 2 crossovers, which I needed, and then there was this pack of rather old, but I think they'll clean up alright, turnouts that I want to use on the Heritage terminal station, and that lot came to £20 exactly, £7.50 each for the crossovers and £5 for the turnouts. So and that's handy. That's why I said the Heritage Railway would go, and those are the 4 turnouts that I just bought, and they were not very good condition, clean, dirty. But I tried polishing one of them up, and yes, it is coming clean, so they'll do fine. And then I went underneath the board to go and look for something, and I forgot all about it, this box here, and it was full of turnouts, crossovers, loads of other turnouts, and curve track. So I've got now 2 tracks in there, and I had to put a flexi track in the middle because I haven't got the right radius for that. And then I've got my 2 crossovers that I've just bought are there. So you've got the up line, if you like, and the down line, and then over there the goods line. So oh dear, getting old, forgetful, can't even remember what I've got. And then I've got all this box of track here, and over here another load of track, and in that box that I showed you is all the short pieces and some more curved track. Oh dear, never going to use it all up here. So really I needn't have gone to that exhibition, but I did, and I got some nice shots of some of the models there, some of the layouts, and I'll put those on now.
You may have to put this 6 into it.
Other than that, we should put the fire engine on. That's not what it is. I like to. I took it over.
It wasn't a very big exhibition, but it was certainly well attended and some real quality work there. And if you wanted to have a painting of a railway engine or scene, there was an artist there. There's some of his finished articles. And he didn't just restrict himself to trains and planes, boats as well. Lovely. Thanks for watching.